girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So excuse me, I look a little rough, but I just moved. Today makes 2 years that I have been living in Dallas, and I decided to upgrade my apartment. So I'm just gonna get right into the video. This is gonna be my apartment tour, so stay tuned. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is the door. We have a closet here, and then stackable washer and dryer. I have my alarm system, lights, and everything like that. And then I'm gonna turn here. This is the kitchen, living room area. I have an open concept kitchen. Just gonna turn. So this is what the kitchen looks like. It's very cute. I have a lot of cabinet space, which I love. A lot of cabinet space. So yeah, I can put a lot down here. So a lot of cabinet space. Stainless steel appliances. I love this black backsplash. Ooh, girl, my hands are ashy, excuse me. I love this backsplash that's on the walls. Fridge, there's nothing in here yet, obviously. Okay, and then the living room area. I have a ceiling fan, a blank wall, so I can put some art up there. And I noticed I have Bluetooth speakers, which is pretty neat, installed into the wall. So for my TV. And this is the living room area. I am going to put a desk right there because I'll be working from home. And then I'm getting ready to go purchase a sectional so I can get that taken care of, so I can already, you know. And then there's a ceiling fan out here. It's actually not 2 doors. It's actually 1 door and a window, but it gives the illusion that it's a double door concept. So patio's a nice little size just for me to have a couple chairs out here. And then down there is like the little bonfire, so it's a cute little view. And then you're gonna come in here. This is going to be my bedroom. It has carpet, a nice size window to nice amount of lighting in here. Have another ceiling fan. Not really much to show in here, just a bedroom. I feel like the video doesn't do my apartment justice, but my bedroom is pretty spacious, which I love. I feel like my bed is gonna look so small in here because I have a queen, but this, when I looked at the model, the bedroom was the same size, and the lady told me that the bed that was in the model apartment was a California king, so I just know I'm gonna have a lot of space, which I'm not mad at. Okay, so this is my favorite part, honestly, my bathroom. So this is the bathroom. There's me. So I have a lot of cabinet space again. Then you're gonna come around here. I have the garden tub. Love this tub. Love this tub. Way bigger than my last apartment. And then the toilet. Super cute. And then I have a very spacious walk-in closet. It's a little bigger than my last walk-in closet because my last walk-in closet was very spacious. So I have shelving here for like shoes or bags, and then 3 racks for clothing and stuff like that. So I have a lot of space. One thing I love is that I have a door accessing from my bedroom and then also for my guests, because I said whatever apartment I move into, I refuse to have anybody walk through my bedroom because that's my personal space. So yeah. So guys, that concludes my apartment tour. I'm going to be I don't know why I still have my mask on, but I am probably going to be doing some vlogs, just decorating this apartment, and then also do like a furnished apartment tour. I absolutely love this apartment. So like I said, today marks 2 years that I have been living in Dallas, and I'm very, very, very grateful. The last apartment that I was in started to have a lot of issues, and I'm in like right in the heart of Dallas, so that means, you know, I'm closer to a lot more things. You know, I'm closer to family, I'm closer to just everything. So I'm very grateful. I'm trying with all my heart not to get emotional right now, but yeah, I'm very grateful. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to get this place and just get all my stuff moved. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I got way more videos coming back for you soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.